She woke up in a really not good mood, so I thought, let's dress her up cozy and go buy her a toy. Yeah. You're okay. Why are we crying? We upset because we didn't get a full nap? I know. Okay. Well, hopefully this works. Maybe she'll just fall asleep in the car and I'll come right back. Yeah. Do you want to have a fun birthday? Yeah. I love you. I don't want you to be upset on your birthday. Yeah. We can have a little nap later and then we'll feel better. Yeah? I'm sorry you didn't have a good nap. Yeah, I'm sorry. So I've got her in the car, now she's all settled in. I don't know, today was just one of those, she slept for like 45 minutes and she's just not in a good mood when she sleeps that little, probably half an hour actually. She normally has like a long 2-hour nap and then a smaller, shorter nap sometimes later on. And it's her birthday, so I want her to have a good day. I know she's too little to understand, but so yeah, her birthday party is this Sunday. I do plan to have just like some yogurt, berries, and granola because it's going to be just like a brunch. And so I figured I would just go pick that up and then we'd pick out a toy together. Anyway, I'm listening to the Not Skinny But Not Fat podcast with Karamo from Queer Eye. This is the first time we've ever sat in a shopping cart on her first birthday. I spent 15 minutes disinfecting this whole cart. So I hope you enjoy this. Is it interesting? Yeah, it's just like your big shopping cart at home. How do we feel about it? Oh, now we're upset that we can't reach that part. You can put your hands here. Right here. How about here? Do we want to put our hands there? There we go. That's it. Yeah, we were in such a good mood because now we can see everything. We can't really see things in our stroller. Huh. We found a lovey. We're happy. This was my favorite aisle. Maybe not at Millie's age, but I was obsessed with Barbies. Are kids still into Barbies? I don't feel like it's as popular as when I was a kid. What do we think, Millie? Right now she's like really into dogs and little stuffed animals that look like dogs. Yeah, do we like that one? Oh, look at his little nose. Yeah, he's in a little carrier. Do we love him? You can take off the binky like this. You can take it off. Oh, you put it back on. And she's crying. Oh, is that so sweet? Little grooming salon toy. It's actually a dog grooming little set. Okay, that was pretty successful. Now she's playing house with her shopping cart. Oh, is that your baby? Oh, should we take off her jacket? Oh, does Mama give him hugs? Hugs. Yeah, I love him. Like this. Yeah, that's Millie's baby. Yeah, put him in the cart. Oh, good mama. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, is Millie playing store now? Good job. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Can you blow it? Can you go? Do it. Blow it. Go. Very careful. Are you gonna taste it?
Hi, sweet angel.
What do we think of frosting? So it's Thursday. It's raining. I had originally planned to do the errands I'm about to do on Friday, but because the video that I want to upload this weekend is not ready, and I figure I'm going to probably spend most of the day tomorrow editing, I figured it would be smarter to do those errands today. So I'm gonna pick up some like fruit and vegetables that we need for day of the party, and of course the flowers. Okay, so this is what we got. I think Trader Joe's is just so good for flowers. So this is the color scheme we're going with. And we got some stuff for salad for dinner tonight. So we're back. So excited for these flowers. I think I'm just going to put them in water today and then put them in their little vases later. Okay, it's been a long day. It's finally dinner time. Just sauteed these mushrooms for like half an hour. Looks good, I haven't tasted it yet. And then we've got a pomegranate salad with the chicken breast, kind of panko crusted tenders. It's the only way I can get Adam to eat chicken breast. And a little trick, well not really a trick, I didn't come up with it, but is to just add a little bit of lemon zest to any dish that's a little bit rich. It just like brightens the whole thing up and it's just so nice. Almost 9, so hungry. The goal is to have leftovers tomorrow.
Yeah, good luck.
Cheers.
Millie, do we like pescetti?
Alright, so it's the day before and I'm now working on her smash cake. I figured she's just gonna smash it, might as well just make it instead of buying a fancy elaborate cake. Okay, I think this is as good as it's going to get. I put this little mesh cut in half so that I can easily pull it away once I'm happy with it. And then I'm gonna top it and see how it looks.
There's a reason people pay top dollar for this balloon display. This is a lot of work.
Okay, we're set up. So I don't know if I mentioned, but it's going to be a brunch, so we're just gonna have bagels and donuts over there. So yeah, this will be like the main breakfast area, just bagels. And do the lox and smears here, and then some honey and some fruit. And then over here will be the dessert table. So we're just doing cupcakes. I figured that was just easier for like kids to grab, and obviously Amelia's not gonna be cutting her own cake. And then we're gonna have some donuts. So all foods that are like circular shape because of the word one. And a little homage to Olive. Are we a tired dog? Yeah, were we very busy today? So busy. And because it's been raining, can't really see that out there, but everyone will have to be indoors. So we just have this like section here. Kids can like hang out around, and I figured like around this table they could eat, kind of play. And then I have kind of like goodie bags, but they're also like activity stuff with some markers that the kids can sit here and just draw. That's our balloon setup.
We'll take some pictures.
Do you want to smash it?
Olive.
Look, Millie. Is that good for Mool? Oh, yummers!
Yeah, I know. It makes me feel weird too. I don't need those on desk right now. Hello. Are you enjoying this conversation about allergy medicine? That's like, this is like a steal, right? Yeah. $190,000 more than this. The last time.
Sorry, I'm just cueing the sound. It's over there.
That you were snapping at children. It's so confusing.
Oh, Sylvia.
Terry. Oh my gosh!
Millie, did you get the oh? Millie, you're gonna do one more hair? Millie. Oh, are you doing my hair? They all was for me.
She wants to look at it.
Yeah.
So many stuff.
Well, there goes Santiago joining the fray.
So now we're over Rodrigo, Natalie,
You have some people keeping on your boy.
Sophie.
Yeah. Sophie, I am trapped here.
Sophie's busy, okay?
Because she doesn't have enough color in her life. Yeah, I was telling you, Brian,
Millie.
I saw that Instagram. I was like, I don't know where she's from. Beige balloons.